So what is API OpenStudio? API OpenStudio is the most comprehensive open source toolkit for cost-effectively building and managing APIs, either for organizations internally or for resale by digital agencies. Now, back in 2015, with 10 years experience building and maintaining APIs, we took a comprehensive look at what was out there, and we discovered there was nothing with the full set of features that we had identified in the one package. So we started building the following key features. The ability to build using basic YAML and JSON to lower the cost. Manage these APIs with full granular access. Control them effectively with a graphical user interface. This was designed for developers and agencies in mind, with agency-specific features for resale and recurring revenue. 2,570 hours later, we had a product that developers and agencies can use for free because it's open source and has all of this in one package. Okay, let's start delving into API OpenStudio. My name's John. I'm the founder, architect and developer of API OpenStudio. So to begin with, what exactly does API OpenStudio do? Well, it adds a new tier to the traditional in-tier stack. So before anything gets passed into your application, either from databases or third-party data, you can actually apply processes and transitions to the data itself. So the API itself is headless, but I wanted to quickly walk you through the admin interface that we have to accompany it. This will allow you to create an infinite amount of APIs, as I said, using YAML and JSON, and also manage all your users, access to it, accounts and applications. I'll go into these more in detail later, but for now this is just a quick overview. So we'll have a quick look at resources first. Resources, this is just a default install at the moment. So here we're saying the general resources that belong to API OpenStudio itself. Here you can see its name, the application, the account it belongs to, the application, the HTML request method, the URI. There you can edit it if you want, which I'll just do quickly and then come back to later. And you can also download the YAML file and you can delete them. We have users, so we can add users that will have an infinite amount of roles that they have. Here again, you can view the user, you can edit them, you can delete them, you can invite them, or you can manually add them, and of course there's the standard filter stuff. Each user can have roles, so we have, forget this one here because I'm just playing with it for a later tutorial. These are the core roles that come out of the box, and then in user roles we can assign the different roles and multiple roles to users. So this will allow you to give full granular access to users and full control over what they can do. You can create new accounts. You have basically one default one which is for the administration stuff. So this one you can't edit or delete, but all these other ones I've done as just test ones. There you can edit the account or delete it. You have applications that belong to accounts. Now I will go into more detail about this one later, but here you see the core one that you can't edit. This is the core application that belongs to the account API OpenStudio that we looked at previously. And these are then assigned through user roles. So there you assign the role to the account and application to the user. And these can be deleted, and you can add new roles as and when you want to the specific user. Give them the role, and the role for that account, under application.